Epa lost the handles. And here comes the shot, kicks it out. Kulana for three. Kulana. Now. And a rebound of Vitesse. 9 minutes 30. And here goes Epa again. Epa. Quick release. Jumper. Got it. And a rebound by Lacan. Back to Lacan. No. And a rebound by Aga. 9:25. And here comes Aga. Kicks it out. Adapting there. Over. Down there short. And a rebound by Aga. And out of bounds. And there, here it comes. And the mga kaibigan. There goes. King-Dog Nugget. Los Ariales. And in the middle, here comes Tison. 9 minutes left. Tison gives to Ada. Ada na out. And a little and a jumper gives it to Seriales. Seriales, one-hander now. And struggling for a basket as this team coming from the column. Now, Ipa na reversible now. Epa gives it to Butang. Butang guarded by Seriales. Butang, 15 on the shot clock, gives it. Fuentes guarded by Kulanat. Fuentes throws it short. And a rebound by Daten. 8 minutes and 5. And Daten to Tison. Tison on the travel. And a foul. And that's this show. And here comes Tison. Ada reaches it. Ada 15 on the shot clock. And Ada throws it. And there comes Seriales. 8 minutes apart. Seriales gives it to Tison. Tison to Kulanat. Kulanat down. Face it. Great thing. Gives it. Oh no! Miscommunication. 7 minutes complete. And here comes Butang. Butang penetrates. Nothing. And a rebound. Kulanat has it. Kulanat to Tison. Tison guarded by Apa. Tison now is looking for another. Tison keeps it back. There goes Ada now. Ripping the ball now. Shot clock 14. Ada, jumper. Nugget. And rebound by Fuentes. 7:35. Fuentes to Epa. Epa won the ball. Chasing it. Catching the ball now. There goes Epa. Bounce passing it. There goes Imon. Imon strikes back. No! Imon grabs his own mistake. And Imon for the second time now. And Imon is still running, waiting for the rebound. And there goes Butang for three. And the 7 minutes waiting on. 7 minutes and 8. And here comes Adante now. And Adante dribbles the ball now. And Adante comes the ball. And even 10 on the shot clock. And Ada. Foul.